name is Siddhant, and I'm currently living in Mumbai, since Pokeri. I've finished my graduation in I've finished my bachelor's in civil engineering from Pune University. I was looking to change my field from civil to software engineering, and having a master's degree would help me to make the transition. So that is why I decided to go abroad and learn a bit more. Counselor advisor was Prajoti ma'am. She was great. She helped in every step. She was always available. She cleared all my doubts. Whenever I had doubts, she was always available. And she walked me through each and every step in the process. It was very good. And she herself, she's also very knowledgeable about the whole process. So I didn't have any issues during the process. Sometimes because like some documents were required from the college, and there was some miscommunication when I was applying for the college. I mean, miscommunication between me and the college, that also she helped to solve. Advised with the college representatives, and she helped me out that time. Because the field which I wanted to go, it has US has the most opportunities in computer science and software engineering. Subjects which I was very lean in learning. That is why I chose that course, and it also had less prerequisites because I come from a non-CS background. The other courses had wanted me to take some extra subjects, and this course does not have that for me. So this is why I chose this one. Yes. My journey was very good. It was very smooth, and I didn't have any problems in at any step. Visa interview experience was good. I was given all the instructions of what to say, what not to say. Even while filing my DS 160 form, my advisor helped me to fill that form. They even helped me to get dates and appointments. They also conducted mock interviews, so I would do well in the interview. It was very good. Experience overall was very good. First of all, Wisdom conducted some mock interviews. For my actual visa interview, I had 3 mock interviews. They were able to correct the answers which I was giving, where I lacked some information or where I was going wrong. Helped me give better answers. They also helped me with the whole documentation process about the documents I need to the visa interview. Made the whole process very simple. Basically, I didn't have to go and do any of my own research. Just gave the instructions and I had to follow those. That was more than enough. Sorry, if he's undergoing his bachelor's, he can try to improve his for bachelor's degree, because that is the important thing. He can try to do a good project for his final year. That will help his profile. And having some job experience also helps.
Yeah.
Say, take guidance from Wisdom. It was enough. The answer, I was not aware of the process. They made it very easy for me. It's always good to have some guidance.